लास्ट पार्ट पे आते हैं गाइस हम लोग. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द विल्सन्स रिमाइंडर थ्योरम, आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द विल्सन्स फैक्टोरियल थ्योरम, बिकॉज इट इज मेड solely for factorials. Okay, so the condition is that there should be a prime number p for which we draw the following conclusions. Okay, and you can prove all of them, okay, by taking, like, just values. Okay, so first, the proof is for p minus 1 factorial divided by p, the remainder is basically p minus 1 or minus 1. Okay, let's check p prime number. Let's check any prime number. 5. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 factorial divided by 5. 4 factorial is 24 upon 5. The remainder is 4. Mil gaya p minus 1 or minus 1 as such, right? So this is basically true for our prime numbers. Okay. Next pe aate hain guys. For the next one, p minus 2 factorial upon p. Again, take p as 3. Take p as 5. So 5 minus 2 is the 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6 divided by 5. The remainder is 1. Okay, you can check for all values, other values. Okay, true hoga. Okay, p minus 3 factorial upon p. Okay, again take p as 5. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial upon 5. The remainder is 2. And 2 is nothing but 5 minus 1 divided by 2, right? ये भी सही है. Okay. Last thing, you can check for values of p minus 4 factorial upon p. So अब थोड़ा बड़ा value लेते हैं. Okay, because थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा calculation. So 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial, which is 6 divided by 7. The remainder, which is 6, right? So in this case, the prime number p, 7, is nothing but 6 into 1 plus 1, right? So your remainder is basically 7 minus 1. Okay, you can take 5 and check 6 here minus 1. So remainder a aega, okay, which is nothing but 1 in that case. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll solve a question based on this. So thoda idea aega how do we apply Wilson's remainder theorem in questions. So let's go.
Find the remainder when 100 factorial is divided by 97 square.
Okay, very simple question if you understand the Wilson's remainder theorem and factorials. Okay, so 100 factorial is nothing but 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96, right? ऐसे होता है 100 factorial, right? अब हमें इसी का remainder चाहिए with 97 square, right? So guys, we divide both sides by 97 का square. Okay, and from the right hand side, if you observe, 97 basically cancel हो जाएगा ऊपर नीचे, right? You can just cancel it out ऊपर नीचे, right? And when you do that, you are now left with 100 into 99 into 98 into 96 factorial divided by 97. Okay. Now numbers are getting multiplied. That means, guys, इनका remainder भी क्या होगा? Remainder भी होगा multiples of or product of their remainders, right? So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 100 का remainder find करेंगे 97 से, 99 का remainder find करेंगे 97 से, 98 का remainder find करेंगे 97 से, and 96 factorial का remainder निकालेंगे 97 से, and multiply them all. Okay. So देखो सबका separately मैंने लिख के रखा है यहाँ पे remainders के form में. 100 by 97, 97 by 90, 99 by 97, 98 by 97, and 96 factorial upon 97. Okay. Now, guys, 100 upon 97, the remainder is 3 into 97 का 97 से 2 remainder आएगा, right? 98 का 97 से 1 remainder आएगा. And अब भी हमने सीखा है, guys, for a prime number, 97 is a prime number, right? For a prime number p minus 1 factorial upon p, the remainder is minus 1, right? Okay, इसको purposely minus 1 रखा है मैंने to make like small calculations. So this entire thing now becomes basically 3 into 2 into 1 into minus 1, which is nothing but minus 6. Okay, if the remainder is minus 6, just add back the divisor 97 and you have the final remainder, which is 91. And again, guys, 99% लोग यही गलती करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं कि हमने यहाँ पे कुछ तो कैंसिल आउट किया था एंड वो कैंसिल आउट किया हुआ टर्म वापस से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, राइट? सो यहाँ पे इन दिस क्वेश्चन बेसिकली वी कैंसिल्ड आउट दीज 97, राइट? एक 97 में कैंसिल किया था, यहाँ पे एक 97. So in the final answer, we multiply 97. Okay, and that is the required answer. 91 into 97. Okay, 8827.